There's not a romper out there quite like this one from Halara. It feels like this. It looks like this. You don't need a bra. Also, you can pull it right down when you have to go to the bathroom. This is an easy peasy romper, so it's got that easy bathroom access in the back where it pulls all the way down. You don't need a bra. There's stitching under the bust. It's padded. They're easily removed. This gorgeous neckline. Amazing side bust coverage. It's got that fitted look all the way to the waist. So slimming, but it doesn't feel tight one bit. Extremely soft and stretchy. Drops into the widest leg ever. Plenty of room. It just slouches on your body. The loose fit does not eliminate your butt. The way the fabric rests on the backside actually accentuates it, if anything. Pockets. The pleats almost give it the look of a mini dress. The length is super classy where everything is covered. Perfect summer romper. You could dress it right up. The fact you don't need a bra and it has the easy peasy access, like nothing beats this. I'm gonna link it below.
Small, garterized ang strap, madam. Ayan, padded mi pa underwear. Hala, ang ganda mi. Code ako dito ng 19. Code 19 sis, code 19. Ganda mi, ma. Code ako dito ng 19. Hi, Mima Rose. Hello, sis. Parang ngayon na lang ulit kita nakita, madam. Mi pa dress, sis. Madam, random flexing tayo, mi. Random flexing, sis. Ito, mi is small. Extra small to small. Size extra small to small. Padded, mi. Pa-halter, mi. Backless. Ayan, code ng 10. Code 10. Size extra small to small. Code ng 10. Code 10. Kaya pala, mi, Rose, ngayon ka na nakapag-mine. Mi code 10, wala here. Mi Rose, yours says mi add to cart. 128 lang, yes. Mi next song, red song. Di pa ako nagagalaw kaya. Mga nakatupi eh. Mi next tayo, madam. Mi ang ganda, sis. Buti binuklat ko yun. Mi extra small to small. Ha? Size extra small to small padded mi. Adjustable ang strap, madam. Mi ang ganda, one piece. Size extra small to small. Code ng 1, code 1. Code 1, sis. 128 lang. Mga hindi pa to na, sis, nagagalaw. Ngayon lang. Mi, next tayo, mi large. Size large is padded pa dress. Size large is padded mi pa dress. Adjustable ang strap, mga madam. Mi ang ganda, sis. Bulaklakin. Ayan, code ng 21. Code 21, sis. Code 21. Later pa, madam. Siguro mga 2 o 2:30. Mi next song. Halati, ang ganda. Mi is small, padded. Size is small, mi padded. Ayan, size is small, is padded, mi. Garterized ang strap. Grabe, mima. Code ako dito ng 19. Code 19, sis. Code 19. Mima. Yes, Madam Chelsea. 2-1 daw. Yes, Mima Chelsea, pwede. Hoy, wala dito, Mi. Code ng 19. Ang ganda nito, sis. Anong maroon? Hindi to maroon, madam. Ayan, Mi, oh. Mi, size large. Mi, large, yes, padded. Size large is padded, working as madam? Tawag dito. Adjustable ang strap with chain. Sa bewang. Code ng 4, code 4. Madam Zami, love yours na. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Asking yours na. 1, 2, 8 lang, Mima. Okay, next tayo. May 20k likes sa likod, madam. 358 si nakahanger, 588 si mannequin. Mi medium. Size medium, mi padded. Size medium, mi padded, adjustable ang strap. Hindi pa, Madam Alexis. Ayan, code na 4, code 4. Code 4. 20k likes, madam. Papamain ko yan. Or kahit i-15 nyo. I-15k likes nyo. Madam Kiss, yours na. 1, 3, 4, and 5. Asking me. 1, 2, 8 lang, sis. Okay, next song tayo, madam. Mi next song. Hala, mi ang ganda, mi. Si SARS, double XL. Mi double XL padded. Size double XL, mi padded, sis. Ay, madam, with belt, madam, ha. May pa-belt yan, sis, sa take. Size double XL padded. Code ng 91. Code 91. Code 91. Miss 1, your sesame add to cart. 128 lang, yes. Ami, 3 in 1, sis. Ang ganda, madam. Perfect karot, sis. Ami, ganda match me. Size large XL. Size large XL me 3 in 1. 128 lang to, madam. Ayan, padded me, pa self tie. Ganda match me. Code na dito ng 29. Code 29, sis. Code 29. Code 29. Size large XL me, 3 in 1. Code 29. Ami, another. Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng purple. Ami, another 3 in 1. Nahalo lang to, mga madam. Ami, ang ganda. Oh, with top yan, madam. Ayan, size. Ito mi, size double XL. Pero XL lang to, madam. Double XL, pero XL lang to. Mi, XL mi pa soft tie. Padded, mga madams. Mi, code ako dito ng 14. Code 14 is code 14. Code 14. Double XL on tag, pero XL lang to, ha. Code 14 sis. Mi, madam, fly your sesame. Ay, mali. Eto pala, sis. Your sesame 128. Underwear mi, meron na bang lang? Diba? Bagay. Kasi yung ito.
Liit talaga.
Hindi Oo, nakikita ko nga. Pero, ano, te? Tawag dito, ganun talaga yan pag 2-piece. Mi, XL padded. Size XL mi, diba? Size XL mi, padded sis. Ayan, adjustable ang strap, mga madam. Code ako dito na 15. Code 15 si sideways, ha? Code 15. Code 15, madam. Next song tayo, mga madam. Next song. Marut, ganda mi. Leopards, yes. Ayan, size. Ganda mi. Large, yes. Size large. Pa-self tie to, madam. Ayan, perfect. Large, yes. Padded. Size large is padded mi pa self tie. Ganda much mi, ma. Code ako dito ng 19. Code 19, yes. Code 19. One four? Ano yung si 1-4? Ano yung si 1-4, madam? Si 3 in 1? Si 3 in 1 ba? Next tayo. Hala, mi, maatake. Ganda, mi, marut. Mad to large, madam. Size, mad to large. Padded, sis, pa-crochet. Mi, ma-crochet to, ha. Size, mad to large is padded pa self-tie. Backless, madam. Code ng 10, code 10. Code 10, madam. Code 10. Crochet yun, sis. Code 10. Size XL. Size